Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching lecture medical video. The today topic is the cardiovascular system. The cardiovascular system deliver oxygen and nutrient to cell and take away waste. The heart pump oxygenated and deoxygenated blood on different sites. The type of blood vessel, arteries and capillaries and the vein. In our heart is a fist-sized organ that pumps blood through out your body. Is the primary organ of your circulatory system. Your heart contains 4 sections made by muscle and power of electrical impulse. Your brain and nervous system direct your heart function. And next is the function of the heart. What are the main function of the heart? There is a 4 main function of the heart. Pumping oxygenated blood to the other body parts. Pumping hormones and other vital substances to different parts of the body, receive deoxygenated blood and carrying metabolic waste product from the body and pumping into the lungs from oxygenation. The next is anatomy and physiological overview of heart. Heart is cone-shaped hollow-muscular organ located in the mediastinal space between the lungs and rest on the diaphragm. The size 12 cm long, 8 cm wide and 6 cm thickness. Weight about 300 gram. Next I will explain the wall of the heart. The wall of the heart separates into 3 layers. First one is pericardium, second is myocardium and third one is endocardium. These 3 layers of the heart are embryologically equivalent to 3 blood vessels. This is tunica adventitia, tunica media and tunica intima. The first one is pericardium, outermost layer of the heart. Covering of the heart consists of 3 layers. First one is fibrous pericardium. This is outermost layer. Parietal pericardium. This is medial layer. And then visceral pericardium, epicardium. This is called as the epicardium. Between visceral and parietal pericardium, there is one space. So this space is between approximately 30 ml of pericardial fluid. And then next is myocardium. This is middle layer of the heart wall. This is thickest layer of the heart. And then endocardium is inner endothelial lining covering tubercle. The next is heart valves. The 4 heart valves which keep blood following the right direction. At the mitral, tricuspid and pulmonary and aortic valves, each valve has a flaps that open and close once per a heartbeat. The valves prevent the backward flow of the heart. They act as a one-way of inlet of blood on the one side of ventricle and then one-way outlet of the blood on the another side of the ventricles. The valve of the heart. 2 arterioventricular valve. First one is bicuspid valve. This is called as a mitral valve between the left atrium and left ventricle. The tricuspid valve between the right atrium and right ventricle. Then 2 semilunar valve. This is half moon shape, left leaf flat. Pulmonary valve. First one between pulmonary artery and right ventricle. Then aortic valve between aorta and left ventricle. Now shortly I will describe with you cardiac conduction system. The cardiac conduction system characteristic of automaticity. This is ability to initiate an electrical impulse. And then excitability. This is ability to respond to an electrical impulse. Then conductibility. This is ability to transmit electric impulse from one cell to another cell. Then next one is SA node. Sinoatrial node. It's the primary pacemaker of the heart, located at the junction between superior vena cava and right atrium. SA node generate impulse at a rate of 60 to 100 beats per minute. Electric impulse is generated as a SA node and conduct to AV node by intranodal pathway. The next one is AV node. This is arterioventricular node. This is located in the right atrial wall near tricuspid valve. AV node coordinated the incoming impulse from SA node. After slight delay, relays the impulse to ventricle. Next is the bundle of His, the present in the sputum between right and left ventricle. Its conduct the impulse received from AV node to Parkinson fiber is divided into right and left bundle branch. Then the next is Parkinson fiber. This is terminal part of conduction system. Myocardial cells are stimulated causing cardiac contraction. The conduction of electric impulse is fast in Parkinson system. The next is coronary artery. Left and right coronary artery and their branch supply arterial blood to the heart. These arteries arise from aorta just above the aortic leaflet. Coronary artery receive blood supply during diastole. Left coronary artery has three branches. Left main coronary artery, left anterior descending artery supply anterior wall of the heart. This next one is circumflex artery. This supply lateral wall of the heart. Then right side of receive blood supply from right coronary artery. Posterior wall of the heart receive blood from posterior descending artery. Venous supply from the heart return blood to right atrium by coronary sinus located behind the right atrium. Now I will describe with you shortly about coronary artery function. Coronary arteries supply blood to the heart muscles. Like all other tissue in the body, the heart muscles need oxygen-rich blood to function. Also oxygen depleted blood must be carried away. The coronary artery wraps around the outside of the heart. So, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel.